Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to reduce noise in Picsart. Picsart offers several tools to help you reduce noise in your photos. So here is how you can do it. First of all, open the Picsart application on your mobile device. After opening up your Picsart application, simply go ahead and select an image that you want to reduce the noise from. Click on the See All button at the top left and choose an image you want to edit. Now, once the image is imported, click on the Tools option at the bottom left. From the menu appearing on the screen, click on AI Enhance. Picsart's AI Enhance will automatically analyze and improve your image, including reducing noise. Now, as you can see that there is a before and after preview for your selected image. The after one has improved your image's quality, reducing noise. Click the Apply button once done at the top right, but remember that in order to make use of this AI Enhance tool, you must be a premium subscriber. Another way you can reduce noise in your photo is by using sharpening tool. After importing your image, go ahead and look for the Tools menu at the bottom left and click on Adjust. From the Adjust menu, select Clarity and increase the amount of clarity by simply dragging the white dot towards the right hand side, and that way you will be able to sharpen and adjust the intensity of your image. This will also reduce noise effects from your photo. Sometimes increasing the brightness and the contrast can also help mask the noise. Go ahead and increase or decrease the brightness and contrast and experiment with your image, and you should be able to get the noise removed from your photo. Now, after you are done, you can click on the Apply button at the top right corner and finally export your video or share it on different social platforms. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.